If your kitchen counters are getting overrun by ants because of sweets, you've got to know how to kick those little sugar fiends out for good. So first off, clean your countertops super often. Like, every day if you can, because ants are basically tiny detectives sniffing out crumbs and sticky spots. Wipe everything down with a vinegar and water mix, or just good old soap and water. Next, don't leave any sweet stuff out in the open. Stash candy, syrup, and fruit in airtight containers or the fridge. Ant baits are a game changer. They lure ants in with something sweet, and then they take that poison back to their colony, killing the whole gang. Make sure to put these baits where you see ants marching, but keep them away from pets and kids. Also, check for any cracks or openings around your windows, doors, or baseboards, because that's how these little guys sneak inside. Seal those up with some caulk or weather stripping to block their entry points. And a quick heads up, don't try to just spray them away with bug spray, you'll just scatter them, making the problem worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with ants attracted to sweets on countertops is ignoring regular cleaning because they think a quick swipe is enough, but sticky residues still call ants back. Fix that by doing a thorough clean every day or every other day. Another common slip-up is not sealing food properly. Leaving sweets out in the open is like sending invites to ants. Just put everything in sealed containers or the fridge, and you'll cut off their snack supply. Lastly, many folks rely only on sprays or traps that don't target the whole colony, so ants keep coming back. Using ant baits instead is way smarter because it kills the source, not just the ants you see. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome if you want to find trusted local contractors who really know how to handle home pest issues or any other projects. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable help, making things easier on both sides.